Hello, welcome again. This time we are looking at tutorial for Magic Wand. So Magic Wand, what is it? What's Magic Wand? Magic Wand select every single pixel which is selected. So the Magic Wand, you can sample size. You can change the tolerance, which is very important. You have to understand the tolerance. You can select the subject, but let's say this is your first time to use a Magic Wand. All you have to remember is the tolerance. The tolerance is how wide your selection might be or how less selection can go. So if I select my Magic Wand and go to the tolerance level, put it to 20, and then pick up the sample points, select the sample points, which is anywhere here. I clicked on that selection, that sample points. It select any tolerance within 20 pixels and below. Any pixel which is within the range of 20 is selected. You notice this side, it has not been selected. If I hold on my Shift key on my keyboard and click again, it is select. No portion of this selection is done. I might as well as hold on my Shift key and then keep on clicking it. Now I run into trouble again, which is here. So I need to change my point size. Let me start it again. Change my tolerance to 32, and then let's see. Wow, we run into trouble. Again, we go to 10. Select that. Hold on my Shift key. Click that. Expand. So within the 10 points, I managed to select. I can also proceed on this section. With the 10, it only selected any tolerance within 10 points. But these pixels here, they are beyond. So I can hold on my Shift key, click on it, and then click on it to expand. You expand the selection. So far, so good. Now, at this point, we have only selected the background. I need to inverse the selection to the subject. So I go under Select, inverse the selection. This time my selection is on the female. Go to the Edit and Copy. Go to File, New Document. Maintain and create a new document. Go to File and paste it. Alright. I can hide that background. Okay, when you take a closer look, the Magic Wand might not give you a clean, smooth edge. There are some dead pixels around, which you need to learn how to work around with it. So in one word, Magic Wand select all those pixels within a given tolerance level. So what else can we do with this one? We can go back online, get another pictures, and then select that, bring up that, can copy that. Okay. Then I can paste this one, send this one to the back. So what we have just done, we have isolated that image, remove it using a Magic Wand. So that's it with the Magic Wand. Let's do another example. Now this is another example, high contrasting image. Under the magic wand, we select it. We make sure we can decide, okay, let's go with 32 tolerance level and select preferably. All right, we selected that. We realize that at the bottom here it is not quite selected, so hold down your shift key to expand the selection. Hold down the shift key, it is changed into a class. So we keep on expanding the selection until we get rid of everything. So this time again we are going to inverse the selection. Select, inverse, go to edit and copy it. Bring up our image, edit and paste. All right. You can paste that. Make it smaller. So what we have done, using the magic wand to select an item instantly, we can select. Let's try one more example. Now this time we are going to use another example. This time is full colored. We select our magic wand. We still maintain the 32 level of tolerance, and then we pick right here. You select that, hold on your shift key as we learned before, click. We need to continue on this side. Your hand is still on the shift key. You maintain holding the shift key so that you can select multiple selections. So hold on the shift key and click. Now we have a lot of complex stuff here. We can go ahead. All right, now we run into trouble again. If I press down my Alt key or the Option key, I can minus that. I can minus it. All right, then we go to Select, inverse the selection. We go to Edit and Copy. We bring it right there. And you can go ahead, edit, paste that. All right, I need to increase my pasteboard artboard size. I can go Image, Canvas size. I need 24 by 36 by 24, 36 by 24. So increase my canvas size. Now I could go ahead and bring up, resize everything right there. I can resize them. I can resize all of that so we can see it. Resize it and resize that, and bring this one here, make it bigger. So we manage to use the magic wand. Now let's continue again to use another tool, quick selection. What is a quick selection? So let's go ahead, select that. The quick selection, it simply work by you drawing it. There you go, it's done. And copy. and then you paste it. That is a quick selection. Let's look again. What about this one with a quick selection? We can follow the contour line until, all right, sorry, let's see, we can select that, hold down the shift key, hold the shift key, and then you can quickly select. Okay, we can minus that. Since we have gone all way, we can minus that. We can minus that. We can remove the unwanted thing that we don't want. You go back to the quick selection plus, and then you can continue. There we go. We proceed. We go to edit, copy that, and then paste it here. That is a quick selection. Now, let's try another one. Okay. Let's try our model with a quick selection. Or quick selection. We can also control the size of the brush and then start to make a selection like that. Like that, we can make a selection, quick selection like that. That is a quick selection. We go to edit, copy that, and then we paste it here. We have a quick selection.
It's 9 o'clock.
So the problem is that sometimes it does not give you a clean edge, but with the quick selection you get something slightly decent enough. The magic one, something decent enough. I hope you understand the use of magic wand and a quick selection. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.